Imagine a war that doesn't announce itself. No explosions, no soldiers, just systems quietly failing across the world. When people hear World War, they imagine tanks, soldiers, and battlefields, because that's what World War II looked like. World War II was fought for land, factories, and physical control. Power was visible. That world no longer exists. Power has moved underground, into cables, satellites, and invisible systems. World War III will not start with a declaration. It will begin quietly. In the next World War, the battlefield won't be a place. It will be systems people depend on every day.
Civilians won't just be affected by war. They will be the battlefield. Soldiers won't fire the first shot. Machines will. Decisions once made by humans will now be made in milliseconds. Nuclear weapons don't make war bigger. They make it indirect. In World War III, economies will collapse before cities do. It won't be called a world war. It will be called tensions and operations.
One day, history will connect these events and call it what it was. World War II was loud. World War III will be silent.